Okay, I'm sorry. This is very disappointing. I have just spoke for half an hour calling all these trades, and I am sorry for myself, for you. All right. Let me trail this. If we get to the previous day high. Oh my God.
Stop filled.
Okay, almost stopped me. All right. You just closed me by a bit. Probably gonna take me out.
Stop filled.
Okay, no problem. I can show I did buy just for these trades, these two trades you see here. I'll explain my reasoning. I did take these two wins, and I am done for the M session. I am so annoyed. I've been doing the whole analysis. I cut this live execution and this analysis the whole time, and it's not on video. Okay, let me explain. I mean, I can actually show you now. It's going to show the account number. Give me a second. I want to go camera. 1 second. I want to take a screenshot of the value of the account. I thought it would be more, but I will take it. So let me take a screenshot of this. New account on Tradify, and we made 800. I entered with the wrong size. I wanted to risk actually 500 on this. It is what it is. Okay, so new evaluation. We took 800 in 2 trades, and happy about it. This is the one that doesn't have activation fee on Tradify, so I just need to be cautious and pass it. Let me see. Apologies. Okay, let's go through what happened, why I took this trade, and these trades actually, and then yeah, we'll call it a day. I am very, very sorry because I had everything on video, live recorded. Yeah, all right. So what was happening? It all started on this chart. So I was doing some analysis, and I was looking at higher time frame, especially the 15 minute. I was looking at the 4 hour, 1 hour, and 15 minutes, and it seemed to me that we were primed to go higher. Now all this is on I've got a recording, and it's like 30 minutes, 40 minutes of analysis, so I'll post it. So you can go and check that if you want to have a view of that bias. And I was saying, yes, there's a trend line here. We don't need to go down to a lower time frame because you know, there's this range between 6 and 9. We barely breached it at 9, came back one time, came down to touch 50% of this 6 to 9 range, and reacted strongly. Okay, so there was a little bit of wait, and then the move finally happened at 9:45. We bolted up. I have now taken the habit of not trading first 15 minutes of market open. It's amazing when you can catch the move at the open, but many times the volatility is so huge, and if you maintain your regular stop, you can get stopped out even being right. It's the most frustrating thing. So I'm not doing it anymore. So I was waiting. Finally, I clicked the button to record when I'm entering position. And apparently I didn't click it. So sorry about that. So as soon as we moved up, I saw that we almost touched the 50%. Let me see if I can remove everything but those levels, right? Okay. And this is the 4 hour, 1 hour. Was the 1 hour fair value gap. We'll hide it for now for you. So, okay. So this is the relevant information that made me think of entering long. The 6 to 9 range, we breached it to the upside, came back to retest 50%, which is classic, took liquidity, and then rejected and started to move higher. When we got to almost 50%, this is decision time. Price needs to decide, are we continuing to the upside or are we reversing? And we started reversing. So then the very first imbalance created after 9:30, don't tell me how I know, there's a very famous mentor that talks about it. Everybody knows his name. So and this is a really valuable insight in how the market works in the AM session. So this imbalance, 5-minute imbalance, is key to deciding the bias for the beginning of the AM session around the open. So I was looking very carefully at the reaction. So the first time we came down, I thought, okay, this is going to be a long. Show you what happened and how I took it. Yeah, okay. So we came down to it, to this 5-minute imbalance. We close above it. So I had set, if we move above the 21 EMA, we reject and close above this first presentation of the 5-minute imbalance. There you go. I give you the name of the technique. We can enter here, run it up until previous day high. So I trailed. So, and I took a first win. And then we came down. Now that's the second decision point. So if you look, and this is where you need to look at the 5-minute chart to really understand this is going to be a long or a short. Because if you look at, you can look at the market structure on the 15 seconds. That also works. We'll do it that too. But first, look at this. We came down, could not breach. Let's see if I should be able to draw right. Could not breach with the body below this level, right? We did it once, twice, and then the third time, which was at exactly at 10, at the close of 10, we came very close to close below this imbalance, right? We came very, very close, but we didn't. We breached it and could not close below it. So then I was on the look. Okay, I thought for a moment we might be bearish, but I was not happy to open a short. I was still thinking long. And that's what we did. So I was looking. If you look at the market structure, there was a huge SMT. That's the other very important thing. So ES was doing lower lows, while NQ was doing higher lows. And we did touch the SNDR of this zone. We did a double bottom here. Somebody might have felt very confident to enter on this body close, and I wasn't. And I also wanted the confirmation that we were moving above the 200 EMA, and we basically flip the structure to bullish on all possible directions. So I set my sights on closing above these levels. Some people could have entered long here, this engulfing candle. Good read then, was exactly 10. I waited for close above here because what we have a breaker. So this structure becomes very strong to support price if price is bullish. And so I did enter. I did set a stop buy here. Yeah, with target previous day high. And then I trailed and I trailed and got stopped right away. And now we might have the continuation at 10:20, 10:30. We're doing a bit an SPS 100%. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Possibly continuing. Yeah, absolutely. We'll see. Generally, reversals don't happen at 10:30, but we are hitting previous day high. Right? Previous day high is a threshold where things can happen. Okay, so that explains. I think you caught my live execution while it was around here. I'm sorry about that. So this explains my 2 trades for the AM session. I did take 2 wins in the London session. Let me see if I can find them. Long. I did take 2 wins during the London session. Maybe we can go through those. Yes. When was this one? What time was it? At 4. Yeah. So I would need to rebuild all the context for you. Well, maybe we do it another time. But so I've started playing the 2 a.m. sharp, going longer short at 2 a.m., going longer short at 3 a.m. if it's something I can see, and going longer short at 4 a.m. if it's something I can see. So I went short. I went long at 2. I went long at 2 here for 15 points with XFAs, made 500, and closed it. Easy, either 2 here. Then I was looking for a 3 a.m. trade, and I was waiting for a long, and so we went short, and I didn't take it. Would have been a nice short. And then at 4, bias was clear to me that we would go up into this area, and so I went long at 4. Here. Then I almost got stopped out. Luckily, this was the real level, protected level, and we moved up, and I took another win on the personal account. All right. This is my day. So far is 4 wins, and I'm done. 4 wins and done. Okay, so thank you for watching. I'm going to publish 2 videos. This one is the execution one. Maybe I publish this one first because you're gonna like to watch this one, and then the analysis for the real hardcore people who want to see how I built the bias for this AM session. It's good to be back. Thank you for watching, and I talk to you soon. I'm sorry I missed the actual live execution recording. I misclicked the button. Sorry. Let's see if I have some music for you. I know you like it. Anyway, really appreciate you staying here with me, and I talk to you soon. Ciao.